Hi, I'm Greta from Attention Insight. This time, we will look at juice advertisements and will compare what difference the background color and pattern or text has to do with the attention that the juice label gets. Here we have 4 pictures by Raw Fusion, a British juice brand. They all depict juice bottles. 2 of them are single bottles and the other 2, 3 and 4 bottles in one line. Each of the pictures have a different color background. Let's look at the first 2 pictures. The one on the left is a green juice, called Pure, and is placed in a white background, while the one on the right has a background with the same pattern as the label on the bottle itself. Let's generate a heat map for both of the images. It shows that, while the Raw Fusion logo on the bottle is an object a user would notice first, in both of the images, the words on the label, such as the title Pure and a description, cold pressed juice, raw fruit, veg and herbs, 100% natural, are all much more visible on the second version of the juice ad. Let's look at the 2 other images. One has 3 bottles in a row in a turquoise background with the text and a website URL and the Raw Fusion logo in the top left corner. In the other picture, 4 bottles are lined up in a row as well, and this time they are in a soft peach color background with some blurred fruit and leaves, as well as the Raw Fusion logo in the top left corner. Let's generate a heat map for both of these images. Now we can see that in the turquoise color background, only the label on the green juice stands out, while the labels on the other bottles of juice do not attract much users' attention. The heat map on the second image suggests the opposite. The label on the green juice does not get the warmest colors, while the rest of the bottles do. The conclusion is that you have to choose a background for your ad according to the areas, in this case different color bottles, that you want to emphasize. Try out different colors for your design and see which works the best for your desired outcome. I hope this helped and see you in my next videos.